Just how it's done, folks. I was just studying this. Look at this little fella. Ain't he darling? Well, he's gonna get smashed. He gets between there and over there, and he's pointed that way. So I'm gonna do the right thing. We're gonna take him over here. I hope this is where he wants to go, because this is where he's going. You see a turtle on the road like that, just what they say to do, and this is what we're gonna do. Give him an opportunity to go the direction he wanted to go. Y'all have a glorious day. Thank you.